This message was transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department. Multiple reports say that these individuals were spotted roaming around in Denver. Police are getting information about these individuals. They're unknown at this time. All residents of Denver must stay in your homes for the day. I repeat, stay in your homes for the day. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department. The individuals are kidnapping everyone. We do not know what they could be, but we will find out who those guys are. Nathan will identify these individuals are. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation.
Hello everyone, welcome to the United States News. I'm Nathan Stevens, and we have some breaking news that the individuals were kidnapped everyone. We got information about them. One of them is a large spring with reed mittens, and has googly eyes. The second one is a large trophy with a golden figure on top. The third one is a small creature with horns and wings. The fourth one is a red and white can. The fifth one is a monster with eyebrows. The sixth one is a black rotating cylinder and a dark brown handle. The seventh are 2 cameras, and 3 robots who are the same as a balloon, a spoon, and a cabinet. Their names are not identified at this time. If you see one of the individuals, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. That's all I have for now. This is Nathan Stevens, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the Denver Police Department. An Amber Alert was issued for Denver Police. The Denver Police are looking for a child named Annie George, aged 5 and 7 feet tall. She was last seen wearing a pink shirt, white dress, and yellow shoes. She was taken by the large spring with googly eyes. We got information about these individuals. The spring's name is Springy, and the rest of them are Dr. Fizz, Zoe Trope, Crosser, Sprinkles, the cameras 1 and 2, Tyler Bombard, and the robots are Spring Toys. They are the characters from Inanimate Insanity Invitational. They are believed to be named the Unvitational Committee. If you see the Unvitational Committee or Annie George, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for any updates on the situation.
Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Nathan Stevens, and we have some breaking news that the individuals, now known as the Unvitational Committee, are attacking everyone that's in their path. We have a reporter Charlie in Denver to talk about what is going on. How is everything going down here, Charlie?
I am down here in Denver, Nathan. As you know, there are people running in panic and war. The individuals, now known as the Unvitational Committee, are attacking everyone that's in their path. Look like a hairy dinosaur with long claws, with a purple creature with 3 eyes, are going to Denver to save everyone. Oh no, I see Tyler Bombard is heading straight for me. I need to get out of here. Now,
Oh no. Charlie has been killed by Tyler Bombard. Anyways, all residents of Denver must stay inside as the hairy-eyed dino and purple creature are on their way to save Denver. That's all I have for now. This is Nathan Stevens, signing off.
This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Springy had launched missiles to the United States. One state will be hit, which is Montana. If you live in a state, seek underground shelter immediately. We got information about these two people. One of them is Therizinosaurus, and purple creature is Inner Flame. Kendall, she is not going to destroy the world. She is here to help Therizinosaurus to stop the Unvitational Committee. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participate will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operation Handbook for National Emergency. The President of the United States or his destination represented over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast or cable systems should transmitted by the request of this emergency alert notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information in the public inside areas. This is Baz, who will survive the Denver area. If you're not in this local area, tune out to stations provided news and information for your local area. You are listening to the Denver area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line will keep the emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. An asteroid is coming straight for us. The cause was from the Unvitational Committee. There is nothing we can do to stop this from impacting. When the asteroid impacts, Giant mega tsunami will formed, mega earthquake will formed, and the sun will be blocked in 100 years. Gathered with friends and family to prepare for the end. Stay tuned for, wait, inner flame candle, what are you doing? No. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. The asteroid is destroyed and the Unvitational committee are killed, but we lost one inner flame candle. She uses her fire power to destroy it, but then she died from the explosion. Therizinosaurus is very upset on what happened, and also, the abducted child Annie George was found safe in the pet store. Thank you for participation in the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume. May inner flame candle rest in peace.